Hi, welcome to Meeting Insights Training Academy. This tutorial will show you how to use recaps. Recaps are the essence of the meeting. They are the combination of summary, decisions, action items, and notes. Action items can be assigned to a specific person with a due date. Notes can be both public and private. You can take a recap during and post-meeting. To take a recap during the meeting, enter the Meeting Insights app on the top panel of your Teams meeting. You can take recaps in 3 ways. By voice commands. By saying the command, "Okay, Mia, take a," and then say the type of recap that you would like. To finish the recording of the recap, just say, "Thank you, Mia." For example, "Okay, Mia, take an action item. We agreed Josh will send all the materials to John by next Friday. Thank you, Mia." You can assign an action item to a participant and select a due date. The second option is by typing. Click on the down pointing arrow next to the text box and select the type of recap that you would like to take and type the recap. The third option is by pressing the mic button. Click on the down pointing arrow next to the text box and select the type of recap that you would like to take. To activate the recap, click on the mic icon to record your recap and click the stop button to stop the recording. Please note that only the owner of the meeting or participant that have edit permissions can add a summary, decisions, and action items by pressing on the mic or typing the recap. Recaps by voice commands to Mia can be given by all participants. After the meeting has finished processing, you can view the recaps from the list view and in the meeting recording page. To view the recaps in the meeting recording, click on the meeting and then click on the Recaps tab. You can view all the recaps that were taken during the meeting and click on each one of them to listen to the section of the recording that they were taken in. You can add recaps post-meeting as well. From the Recaps tab, click on the down pointing arrow next to the text box and select the type of recap that you would like to add, and then in the text box, type your recap. The new recap you add will appear in the same tab. You can view all the action items that you gave to others or were given to you by clicking on the Action Item tab from the list view. Here, you can view what meeting the action item was taken in, who took the action item itself, add a comment, mark as done, play in the player, and send it to your planner. Thank you for watching Meeting Insights tutorial.